Stop! Before you waste your life savings on a flying paperweight. Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm here, and today we're exposing the drone industry's biggest lies. Me after buying my first $1,500 drone. But here's the secret the big companies don't want you to know. You can get insane footage for under $500. Smash that like if you've ever crashed a drone, and comment broke if you're on a budget. Okay, real talk. 3 rules every noob needs to know. Rule 1, auto everything. You want that drone to babysit itself because trust me, your hands are not ready. Rule 2, safety features. Obstacle sensors, propeller guards, basically training wheels for the sky. Rule 3, return to home. When you inevitably panic and lose your drone, one button saves your wallet. Pick number 1, the I'm broke but want fun starter. DJI Mini SE, $300, 2.7K video, stable as your grandma's Wi-Fi. It's literally the iPhone of drones, but without the kidney-selling price. Or grab this Potensic A20 for $30, crash it into everything. Your cat, your face, your ex's car. Pick 2, the I'm kinda serious choice. DJI Mini 3, obstacle sensing, vertical video for TikTok clout, and it's under 250 grams. That means no FAA registration. Basically a legal loophole. Pick 3, the I have money and zero chill option. Mini 4 Pro, 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It's literally impossible to crash. You could fly this thing blindfolded while eating cereal. It's basically a cheat code for instant pro footage. Now, what should you absolutely avoid? Those sketchy Amazon drones that promise 4K for $50. The video quality looks like it was filmed through a potato during an earthquake. No GPS means your drone becomes a very expensive frisbee in any breeze. Quick recap. Start cheap, prioritize safety, DJI Mini Series is king. Which drone are you getting? Comment your budget, like if this saved you from a crash. Subscribe if you want more money-saving tech secrets. And remember, fly safe, film epic, and don't crash into your neighbor's pool again.